Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel. Very important for anyone out there that is using PLEX. You probably have received an email. I did receive an email when I woke up this morning. It was in my inbox. PLEX got hacked, and so this means that you should definitely change your password. So they say that the hack is rather limited, but you know, these companies try to always kind of sugarcoat a little bit their hacks. So, and usually what happens is that the hack is often a little worse after they start looking into it a little more. So PLEX is warning everybody to reset their passwords, and apparently there was some unauthorized access to one of its databases, so potentially accessing limited subset of data, including email address, username, and encrypted passwords. So the passwords are not in the clear technically. That would make it kind of difficult probably to access the passwords, but PLEX just doesn't want to take any chances. If you have a PLEX account on any device, because PLEX is also an app on smart TVs, and there's a lot of different things. So if you are using PLEX, definitely change your password and just to stay safe. If you are using the same password on PLEX that you use everywhere else, I recommend that everywhere that you have the same password, you change the password also. Once again, they are hashed, they are encrypted. Technically they shouldn't see the password, but just in case, you never know. That's for sure. And keep an eye open for any PLEX scams coming up. Since they scooped up all the emails with PLEX accounts, there's going to be probably some phishing attempt with PLEX through email, kind of trying to lure you into changing things. So make sure that you don't do anything there. So for all PLEX users, change your password. I think it's the safest thing to do. I changed mine just a few minutes ago. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.